Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop and Barbie collection. I'm so excited about this. Everything in here is Malibu Barbie vibes and I am living for it. I actually have an original Malibu Barbie. It was my mom's and she gave it to me. So this collection is so exciting. I love it. If my mom was here, she would be living for this collection. No pun intended. Yeah, so let me show you guys this collection. I have everything right here next to me. So this is what the little card looks like. This Barbie and Colourpop. The design on this is perfect, and it says we're celebrating Malibu Barbie's 50th anniversary with the collab of the season. So yeah, this is launching on Thursday, May 13th at 10 a.m. PST, and I did find out that codes will be working on this collection. So if you guys want to use my code, it is just KATRINA. It'll save you some money off, and this is super exciting because codes usually never work on collabs anymore, especially a collab like this. I'm honestly shocked, but I did get the green light that the codes will work on it. I think it just doesn't work on the full collection, but it should work on everything else. So I don't have prices of anything yet. I've seen prices online. I don't want to say them in the video, obviously, because it's harder to edit them out than just editing my description box. So I do see a few. I will put them in the description box, but I will update them as soon as Colourpop posts them. They haven't posted any prices yet while I'm filming this, so but I will keep you guys as updated as possible. Let's get into it. The first thing that we have is the Malibu Barbie palette, and this is the box. It's so cute. I love it so much. The packaging, I mean, the design on everything is just so good. The back of it has the little shades in hearts in here, and it says we're bringing the beach party to you with our newest 15-pan eyeshadow palette featuring our fave retro and beachy shades in the most innovative formulas. Create your own twist on the classic Malibu Barbie looks. This is what the actual palette looks like. It looks just like the box. I love that. And when you open it up, it does have 15 shades. There is a mirror in here, and it's a lot of pinks, blues, some warm tones, neutrals, yellows, oranges. Pretty much matches the packaging exactly. So I really like that. I love when the colors represent the packaging. It just makes me really happy because sometimes you'll see the packaging and the colors inside have nothing to do with it. So I love that. There are some little imprints on each of the shadows. There's a little rainbow on Let's Go Party, a little heart on Best Coast, and a little heart on SoCal. So that is the palette. The next thing that we have in this collection are some lip duos, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is to die for. I love them. So these have a cream luxe lipstick and a lip liner in each one. I'm assuming you can buy them individually as well, but they do come in the little lip duos, and the packaging is adorable. The lip liner and the lipstick are both in the same shade. We have Malibu Sunset, which has a pretty little sun design on there. Then we have Golden Beach, which has a little beach chair, a little umbrella, or no, that's not an umbrella. That's a beach ball, a little beach chair, beach ball. So that one is Golden Beach. And then Dreamhouse has a cute little rainbow on here. I love that. This is what the packaging on the lipsticks and the lip liners look like. They're both pink. This one is a transparent pink lipstick component. It has a little Barbie symbol on there, and each lipstick has a Barbie imprinted in it as well. So that's what they look like. So the first one that we have is Dreamhouse, and this is a really pretty mid-tone pink shade and a matching lip liner. Golden Beach, which is a nude. We have the lip liner, and then this, I said, it's a nice perfect brownie nude. It's not too brown either. It's a really good nude lipstick. Lastly, we have Malibu Sunset, and this one is the perfect Barbie kind of color. It's a deeper pink, almost a fuchsia pink. My mom would have ate this up. She would have loved it. It's her favorite color lipstick. That one is Malibu Sunset, and like I said, all of the lipsticks are the cream formula. Next we have the Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the little box, has the cute little beach scene on here, and then the actual highlighter itself says Barbie and Colourpop. I talk about this a little bit more in the video, but I just wish that the packaging on the actual highlighter itself had a little bit more of a design to it, but this is what it looks like. It's one of the giant Super Shock highlighters with the mirror in there in the compact. And this is a really pretty light gold with some warmer bronzy kind of throughout it. So that is the highlighter. Next thing that we have in the collection are some lashes, and these are called the doll lashes. These are the lashes that I have on right now. They're super cute. I love the packaging on this. It has the little heart design inside, and it says Barbie and Colourpop. The font on here is just so cute. I love the packaging on this so much. The last thing, which I think a lot of people are excited for, is the little handheld mirror. The packaging on this is so good. This is what the box looks like for the mirror. I love this so much. It's like the most prettiest Malibu Barbie design ever. If you didn't want the mirror, I think this is the best like box out of everything in the collection. This is like perfect. This would be like the perfect display piece if you wanted to display this out on like your desk or anything like that. And this is just everything. I love this. Is just the box. It's not even like the product, but the box itself is so good. I love this so much. The back has like the little palm tree. Little handheld mirror looks like. It comes in this really cute like pink foam, and then this is the little handheld mirror. It says Barbie and Colourpop, and it looks like this. It says Barbie and Colourpop right here. It is smaller than the heart mirror that came out during Valentine's Day, just in case you guys were wondering. Still see your entire face in it. It's not too small, but it is a little bit smaller than the Valentine's Day one. That is everything in the collection. I will put all the info and everything down below. When I find out prices, I will put those down below for you as well. Anyways, this is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the palette. It is so cute. So I'm like almost positive I'm gonna stick with like the pinks and the blues because I love those two colors together. So I'm gonna start off with Let's Go Party. I'm gonna use that as my transition. It's this shade right here. It's like a little bit of like a orangey transition shade. It has a cute little rainbow in it. And I'm gonna just put this in my crease. I'm using my little mirror. It is little, by the way, like it's not as big as the one that came out during Valentine's Day. Slightly putting that into the crease. I don't want to take it too much because I don't want to do something too orange. I want to lightly put that there. I wish there was like a lighter, like a baby pink in here. That'd be really cute. So now I'm going to go into Best Coast, which is that bright pink shade. I love the name. I know it's Barbie, but I'm also thinking of like one of my favorite bands ever, which is Best Coast. And I'm just going to put that, I'm going to start building that up into the outer corner, into the crease. And I'm just taking a little bit at a time, kind of stamping it on. I love hot pinks like this. And I'm just taking a little bit more, stamping that on. And also putting that into the crease. And then just blending that upwards towards the brow. A really nice hot pink. It's not like super pigmented right away, which is a good thing. Sometimes like it's a little bit easier for people that are not like super used to color. It just helps blend things out a little bit easier. And it builds up really nicely. So sometimes hot pinks can be like that, where they're like just very pigmented right away and it's kind of hard to blend out. This one I feel like it builds up really nicely. Still get that pigmentation, but it's still easy to blend at the same time. A little bit more of that pink. I can never get enough pink. Go into Follow the Sun, which is that shade right there. Take it on my finger first, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush to kind of give a little bit more precision. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. It's like a pinky purple. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, I absolutely love that shade. It's so pretty. I don't know if this is like a new formula or something, but it's like, I almost thought it was a pressed glitter, but it's definitely not. But it's a little bit like softer than a normal shimmer. I don't know how to explain it. It's really pretty though. It almost makes like your eye look wet. I'm going to go in with my brush just to kind of get a little bit more precision where I want it. Put the blue, I think, on the lower lash line. Maybe in the inner corner. I don't know. I'm going to put the blue somewhere, but I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and stuff really quick, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and just did my complexion stuff. I will link everything that I have on down below. It's basically all Colourpop. So before we get into the lower lash line, we're going to try out the highlighter, which I'm very excited for. I love the like big Super Shock highlighters like this. This is in the shade Beach Party. It's so cute. I wish that they had, like, I know this is like cute, like the little Barbie and Colourpop, but the design on the back is really cute too. So I wish that that was on there, but this is like a really pretty, like light gold. So it's also like that like marbled kind of, ooh, This is cute. This is really pretty. I love this. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the blue. I'm gonna use the like matte blue and the shimmery blue as well, and I might take the shimmery blue in my inner corner. Or I might take the yellow in the inner corner. I don't know yet, but we're gonna take Malibu Memories, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to keep this really tight to the lower lash line. I don't want to bring it down too far. Oh, I spoke too soon. I already brought it down too far. I didn't want to bring it down too much, but it's okay. This color is super pigmented. Like, I barely took any right here. I'm going to take Surf's Up, which is that shimmery teal down here. I'm going to put that on the inner part. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love that. When I think of Malibu Barbie, like this is like the teal that I think of. I love that. I want to put this yellow on my inner corner, but I feel like it might be a little like too yellow, you know? So I think I'm going to take that mixed with Cali Girl, which is like shimmery gold, and take just the yellow on my inner corner. Yeah, see, it's like a little too yellow, but with that shimmer on top, I like that. It still has that yellow without being like too much for the inner corner. Like, see, when it's on the inner corner, it doesn't really do too much. Like, it's very pigmented, actually. I'm like very impressed with how pigmented that yellow is. It's like a yellowy orange. It's like the color of like the sun. But it just doesn't like do anything on the inner corner. Like, it's just there. And then when you just pop that shimmer on top, it just really does something. I am going to blend that out, don't worry. I'm just going to blend kind of that pink there, just so it's not like a super harsh line or like a just mark right there. I do have lashes in this collection. This is what they look like. They're called Doll. They're actually really pretty. I'm going to apply these off camera and I'm going to trim them and stuff so they fit my eye perfectly, but they're really pretty. They're like nice and wispy. I love lashes like these. So I'm going to put these on. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I don't like not like them, but I also like wouldn't reach for them at the same time, you know? I thought I liked them at first. I don't think I trimmed this one enough. Also, this one's definitely longer on this side than on this side, whatever. I might like them a little bit more maybe if I cut them in half. I just like don't really wear full strip lashes anymore. Just gonna go ahead and finish off with the lip duos. Since my eyes are pretty bright, I'm gonna just stick to a nude lip. Are we surprised? The other colors are really pretty. I just don't really ever gravitate towards like those pink colors, but it's very fitting for this collection. I'm surprised they didn't do a Soul Body like glow oil. Of all the collections that they come out with shimmery and dry oils, I thought they would do it for this one, but they didn't. But I thought it would have been really cute, you know, like Malibu Beach. For the lip duo, I'm going to use the Golden Beach one, and I love the packaging. I like that each one has different designs on them. So this is the nude one. I love this color nude. I love this packaging so much. It's so cute. And I'm going to use the lip liner. It's in the same shade. So let's just apply. Ooh, this is like a really perfect nude lip liner. That's not too nude, but not too brown. Kind of like a Your Lips But Better shade. Yeah, it's like almost the color of my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the lipstick. I'm going to try not to mess it up because it's so cute with the imprint on there. Oh, interesting. I feel like the lipstick is like a little bit darker than the lip liner, which is usually like the opposite, you know? Yeah, I like it like just nude on its own. I might take a little bit of the lighter pink one. I think it's called Dreamhouse. Let me see. This one's like a little bit more of like a rosy color. I'm going to add a little bit of this to my lips. Yeah, I like that a little bit better. My lips are like super chapped right now. So that is the lip duos. That Dreamhouse one is like a little bit more like a peachy pink. So it just added a little bit more color. But let me go ahead and dust off this powder, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out. I'm doing pink and teal together. It's like one of my favorite color combos, so this was like right up my alley. So let me give you guys my overall thoughts on everything. So for the palette, I do like it. I like the colors in here. I really love the packaging, and I think that the colors in here are very fitting for Barbie, Malibu Barbie especially. The pinks, the teals, the yellow, it just gives very much like summer vibes, Barbie, and it matches the packaging like perfectly, so I really like that. Is it my favorite palette ever? Not really. I love the pinks in here, and I like the shimmer that I used on my lid. It was literally so pretty. It's like such a beautiful shimmery pink, but it just makes your eyes look wet. It has like this really pretty pearl in it. Like I said in the tutorial, I don't know if it's like a new formula or what, but it just looks really, really pretty on the eyes. Well, yeah, I mean, like, it's a cute palette. I like it. It definitely, like I said, fits the vibe for Malibu Barbie, but it's just like not my favorite palette in the whole world, you know? But I do love pink eyeshadow, and the pinks in here performed really well, so I like that about it. This highlighter I really like as well. I wish that like I said earlier, I wish that the packaging like on the label that's on the back of the highlighter was like on the front. I feel like they could have done a little bit more with the design on this without just saying like Barbie Colourpop. But it is still really cute, and the color of the actual highlighter itself, like the actual product, which is what matters, is really pretty. I actually really love this shade. The color of this like highlighter is super pretty. I love this, and I can definitely see myself using this a lot. This is like right up my alley when it comes to like highlighter shades. Build it up to be intense, but it also, you could do it really softly, and it gives you a really pretty glow. And yeah, so I do like this. I just wish the packaging was like a little bit more like fun or something, but the actual highlighter itself is really nice and probably one of my favorite things in the collection. Lashes are okay. I actually like them more that I'm wearing them. I like them a little bit more. I think I'm going to cut them a little bit more, like trim them and use them as half lashes, because that's usually what I've been doing lately. I don't really wear a full strip of lashes anymore, so I think as half lashes they actually would be really nice because they're like perfect little like angled shape. So love the inside detailing on the box, and they're called doll lashes, and they're definitely giving like doll vibes. So it definitely reminds me of like the little lashes that, you know, that are painted on Barbie's face, that they're just kind of like spiky and just kind of stick up, you know, so that is definitely perfect for that. The little mirror is so cute. I love this. I actually like the smaller ones. Sometimes like these are a little obnoxious. They're not just, they're like cute like to see your whole face and like when you're doing your makeup and stuff, but functionality wise, like a little one like this is actually really cute. So I do like the size of this. And lastly, the lip duos, which I think are the cutest thing in this entire collection. I love the packaging on each one. Like I said, they all have different designs on the front, and I love them. I think the shades in here are perfect. There's like that pink, like perfect pink shade that's like perfect for a Barbie collection. That like pinky peach shade that was I added on top of the nude lip, which was also nice. And then just, you can never go wrong with a nude lip, you know, and I definitely think that the nude lip fits the Malibu Barbie vibe as well. Love the lip duos, and I'm sure you could buy them individually as well, but the packaging on the duos is so cute. If you're gonna pick anything up, obviously the palette, if you like the colors in there. Like I said earlier, it's not my favorite palette, but if I was gonna buy it as like a collector or something, I would pick up the palette. It's just, I don't know, I feel like the palettes are always like the main thing in the collection. So but if you're not like too fond of the colors, then I don't think you'll like be too upset about skipping out on it. I definitely think my favorite things are the highlighter and the lip duos, and also the little mirror as well. That is super cute. So anyways, leave me a comment down below and tell me your thoughts on this collection. What do you think? Are you gonna pick anything up? What's your favorite thing in the entire collection? I want to know your guys' thoughts on everything. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.